G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have a hole like this in your wall due to a frame you've taken off or you've got a mirror, it's very easy to fill the hole without using a brick wall compound or a Gyprock filler and buying expensive equipment and powder. All you need to fill a hole like this, just a bit of a toothpaste like that, and that's pretty much it. So I'll show you now how to do it. So you grab the toothpaste and you fill the hole. As much as you can so you can keep filling. As you can see, it's just outside the hole. It's almost, it's totally covered. And what you need to do to scrape the excess off, you need to grab the from the back, the flat side of the toothpaste, and wipe it as such. As you can see, you still got a bit of a dent in there. So you can use the existing excess and you apply it again, and then turn it around, or you can wipe it off with a piece of cloth. And go again, take this excess off. So from another angle, a bit more, and flat side, need to wipe the excess off. Keep wiping it. And as you can see, the hole is filled, and let it dry for a few hours and we'll be ready to paint. So there you go guys, it's all done. It didn't cost much to fill that hole. If you got a house which you are on a rental and you've got holes in the wall, you can repair them pretty easily with a bit of a toothpaste. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and press the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.